Yo, DeMarcus Duhart, Bankroll University, man. I want to talk to you guys, man, about something that's kind of grim dark, but at the same time, it's reality. Um, you're gonna die. Sorry to say that, but you're going to die. Give yourself a round of applause, man. Everybody's gonna be put in a pack. Everybody's gonna get. We're gonna go out, So that's called life. You live and then you pass away. But at the same time, would you, a lot of people have children, a lot of people have family that's still here. And would you want to pass away and uh, your children suffer as a result of that? Would you want to pass away and your family cannot bury you? Would you want to pass away and you cannot even do what you need to do uh, when you're leaving this earth, that everybody is left with your debts now? I don't think that's the best way to pass away, man. Coming from where I'm from, um, a lot of people didn't have life insurance, and when they passed away, everybody in the family had to scramble to get everything for them and get the money up for the burial, get the money up for the funeral, get the money up for everything to get them taken care of, and um, and it was just a hassle, man. We always want to understand that we owe ourselves more than that. We owe our families more than to basically struggle and to worry about us after we're passing, man. And we leverage that opportunity to actually teach you guys that. And the link down below in the description box, Join Bankroll University. Um, and we get all into this, but this video right now is about the importance of life insurance, universal life or term life. I personally love term life, uh, but to each his own. There's different purposes for each one, and we're not going to into the complete breakdown in between term life and universal life, or whole life is what they call it. But the importance of life insurance is so important, man. You really want to understand this, and they don't teach us this where I'm from, and until it's too late. So a lot of people live their life as, okay, I'll live and I'll work, I'll work, I'll work, I'll work, I'll work, and then a tragedy happens. Inevitably, it always happens, and then now they have nothing to leave, or now they're leaving everybody with the debts that they could have actually taken care of. But at the same time, they didn't. And what they did was they did what the average person does, just live life, work, pay bills, go home, live life, take care of the family, work, pay bills. And that is terrible because what actually happens is through all that money that you're making, you could have been paying a small fee to get that life insurance. And in the link down below, I'll give you guys the actual life insurance that I use, and it's super cheap, less than $100 a month, and it'll cover to your term. You know what I'm saying? Because you basically want to use term and invest the difference. Basically, invest for term, and then, I mean, you pay for term life insurance and invest the difference, meaning that the term is going to cover the majority of your life. And throughout the majority of your life, anything happens, your family's going to be taken care of. But I want to give you to really understand what's going to happen if you don't take care of your life insurance, man, and the problems that's going to happen to you and your family, and that by not taking care of it. Let's go to it. This guy's going to give us an understanding of what happens.
Lost my brother before coming into this industry in a car accident. You guys, many of you know that story. And it was because of life insurance that his family was taken care of. It's just funny how, in life, one thing, will come at you and come at you and come at you.
And only if you quit, then it wins.
Since I've been with the business, I lost my mom. I lost my dad last year. And my twin brother today is in ICU.
I got
Oh
my
man,
work ethic from my mom. My mom was a horse,
send
just
my
strong.
condolences, man.
There was no sugarcoating anything, and she would have wanted me to continue and not give up and work through the tough times. My father was an entrepreneur. He was a contractor for many years, and I got my entrepreneurial spirit from him. So his fuel, his belief, made me carry on and continue.
It's obvious where God wants me to be. And
Wow.
honestly, I don't know where I'd be without PHP.
Telling you guys right now the importance of life insurance, man, how it has covered him in the most tragic times. His little brother has passed away. His mother passed away. His other brother passed away in a tragic accident, man. You guys need to invest in life insurance right now. Stop playing with your life because it comes and it goes, man. Life comes and goes. You guys got to realize that, man. You're here one day and then you're gone the next. My brother passed away and he did not have life insurance. Yes, he passed away and didn't have life insurance. My Uncle Freddie, he passed away, no life insurance. Um, People, and guess what? We had to foot the bill. My brother's expenses well over a 5 to 5K. So if I wasn't in the position that I am in to actually help him foot that bill, I have no idea how my family would have been able to take care of that. You know, so I want to help you guys be able to leverage that type of income or leverage uh that type of revenue even in your business to actually understand that you can do that too. Join Bankroll University down below, guys, and we're going to help you get there. But like I'm saying, I had to foot the bill, and it came through, you know. But at the same time, if I wasn't there, I just dread to find out what would have happened to my brother because he had no life insurance, guys. It's very important. So let's go to another one right quick. Let's go see uh living without protection, man, without life insurance protection. Uh 6 consequences of living a life without life insurance protection. Guys, you got to realize that uh number 1, leaving dependents and a financial crisis. Very important. Very important. I say this all the time. You'll never have to face the biggest consequences of not having life insurance, but your loved ones will. Nothing is permanent in life, especially the country like India, where statistics in road accidents claim around 400 lives every day. We don't live in India, but we do get clapped out here in America. Number 2, leaving your family entrapped in debt. Number 3, being unprepared for big ticket expenses. Crazy. Number 4, leaving your child's future unsecure. Number 5, being financially dependent on others in old age. Number 6, not being able to save taxes, guys. You guys don't understand. Having life insurance is so important, man. So, who do I use for life insurance? I know you're asking that. I know you're asking that. And at the same time, I do have the answer. This is who I use. Policy Genius. This is not a sponsored video. So, but this is Policy Genius, man. Policy Genius, they do life, auto, home, and disability. They're trusted. Like I say, I pay less than $100 a month for good coverage over my life. Um, that will be left up to my family or my sons and my daughter, in case anything happens, man. Happy shoppers. Easy process. This is one of the easiest processes, man. Y'all got to come to Policy Genius. My link is down below. Click it. It's a referral link. So I'll also get like a Amazon gift card and you'll be able to help me out as well. by clicking my referral link down below for Policy Genius, man. So definitely. Um, it's so easy to get in Policy Genius, man. They do require I believe they do require like a health test, but at the same time, guys, you got to realize that they do whole life too, and they do term life, and they also do no medical a no medical exam too. Term life is an insurance policy with a contract that lasts for a set period of time, usually between 10 to 35 years, where the insurance company pays your beneficiaries a lump sum if you die while the policy is active. Guys, I'm telling you, realize that this is an opportunity to leverage you guys, leverage yourself, and actually do better, man. I just want to keep providing value to you guys so you can understand that um, you can do more in life, man. Like I said, join Bankroll University down below, man, and we're gonna keep coming with this heat. Like, come, subscribe, and let me know if you're gonna choose Policy Genius down below, or even if you have a term or a whole life policy, man. Comment down below. Like, come, subscribe. Peace.